Hey dear! Welcome to the Logo Slider tutorials. In this video, I walk you through how to import Logo Slider dummy data
and what information we'll add by importing the logo dummy data.
Now, you can install it in two ways. Automatic installation. Manual installation. First of all, you need to log in WordPress admin panel with your username and password. Let's get started. Automatic installation. Navigate to the Plugins menu and click Add New. Type GS Logo Slider in the plugin search box.
We have built many fantastic plugins to grow up your business. Click on Install now. Active plugin. Wow! Plugin installed successfully.
Manual installation. Navigate to the Plugins menu and click Add New.
Upload plugin and choose File. Then click Install now. Active plugin. Wow! Plugin installed successfully.
Demo import. Navigate to the GS logos and click Install Demo. Import now. Wow! Logo Slider demo data imported and ready to use.
Now we will see
what information we'll add by importing the logo dummy data.
12 logo slider. 12 attachments for logos. Taxonomies, logo category. 40 plus pre-made shortcodes.
Well, that's all for now.
I hope you found this useful.
Thanks for watching.